Hi, I'm Hannah, and I am 6 months out from my hair transplant, and I could not be more happy with the results, and I'm excited to see how it grows even more from here. I have always had a really high hairline and baby hairs on the side that never really grew in, so it kind of had the look of almost a receding hairline that I just really was not happy with. And when I found out that a hair transplant was a possibility, I reached out to some places that told me that they didn't think I'd be a good candidate. And I was so grateful when I came across Dr. Lamb, because I came in and Amina was so helpful and immediately told me that it would be possible and that we could do this, showed me exactly how the hairline was going to look, guided me through how the process was going to go, and all of the staff was so friendly and helpful. Making appointments was so easy and smooth, and when I showed up for my surgery, it was the easiest process that I could think of. I thought I would be really nervous, but everybody was so helpful, and I was so appreciative to have a team that rallied behind me and understood how I felt about my hairline and how important this was to me. Because now I look at myself and I feel like this is what I was supposed to look like, and my hairline just didn't get the memo, but now it's caught up. So I couldn't be more happy. And if you are struggling with your hairline or think maybe this is a possibility, I would highly recommend coming to Dr. Lamb and seeing what he can do for you.